Farsi language also. This is the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Flexi Program. They started this program for the farmer. Why they started? Because the use of chemical pesticides for the kill of the insect and pest, then weeds, unwanted plant, we apply the weedicide. We for prevent the diseases, we are applying the pesticide, and for the more crop protection, we are applying more and more fertilizers. But these fertilizers now the adverse effect is visible on our health.
Mereka ini kalau boleh menyuan nasi hani mo, mereka training program masih dari semangat. Besok ni wanam batai semangat, semangat jinglet bawa niya ada wifi ini jodingi. Ada wifi boleh bantu menyadari kian fang. Dengan dapat bantu sesok hampun dulu. Kemudian program tanpa ada wayam, kau pencut pada jaga kau kia kajoni diberi.
Why we need to apply this chemical? Because we need more production. When we need more production, then the nature has the capacity. Earlier they are providing, the soil is providing all the nutrients to the plant, and that plant makes the plant healthy, so the insect is coming, neither pest is coming. But we need more production from the field, and that is why we have start using this chemical in our field, because we have some safe for our consumption and other we need to sell in the market. So from the particular field we also require the more and more food grain production, so that we can earn from that thing and we our continue our livelihood from this field. That is why we are using slowly this chemical and fertilizer. Although in Meghalaya, in most of the places, people are using very less chemical, but other part of the country, people are using more chemical. But some chemicals are also harmful, are reached here. That is why we came here.
Yung boleh nak tahu ni punya hari dawai rumah nak pakai nak jual. Kalau kalau bang ikwa apa nak per mau ni dong ikwa apa sesok kampun. Beri sosok kumpul nak boleh dalam pun cinta dalam kita tanah itu dan dia jini no dia yang sakit jawai kalau besok kampun kan mudah tinggal kan mengiru dia jimpai harga dia harga bisa mau dia nasdam tambah rumah itu dalam di tempat jaga yang kau jadi apa boleh lah semua mengkuat dong jini tidak yang apa udah sesok mah dan mau di final kampuna kan Kemudian kita jumpa kalau ni orang ni ai so ki dawai untuk so hamta diwan sikinan nang tabram bisa pentul pas saya kalau kita jadi jadi saya tahu di kisah ni saya kai itu boleh no